Dear students, today our topic is differentiability. Differentiability topic day 22 part 2 is going on. In day 22 part 1 we have discussed differentiability level 2 sums in our material. Now let us discuss level 3 sums and previous JEE mains questions and some important questions in level 3. Level 3. Let us start from back to front. So let us start 42 question first of all. 42 question. Let f be a differentiable function satisfying the condition f of x by y is equal to f of x by f of y. F of x by y is equal to f of x by f of y. This is the condition, and x comma y not equal to 0 and belongs to R. X comma y are real numbers not equal to 0 and f of y not equal to 0. If f dash 1 is equal to 2, then what is the value of f dash x? F dash 1 is equal to 2. Find f dash x. Let us write the formula. Formula f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. F of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. That implies f dash x can be written as f of x taking common here. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h by f of x minus 1 whole by h. That is equal to next step f of x by x I am writing. Limit h tends to 0. F of this can be understood using 1. From 1 I am writing here. F of x by y is equal to f of x by f of x by f of x by f of y. So this can be understood as f of x plus h whole by x minus 1 whole by h by x. Like this, x multiplied divided with x. That is equal to f of x by x. Limit h tends to 0. Now this can be written as x by x plus h by x. So this is f of 1 plus h by x minus 1 by h by x. You can understand this one as the formula as it is f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. F of x plus, here that this is x plus h means 1. So h means this one. So whatever the value exists here, the value exists here. So this can be understood that this is f dash 1. So that is equal to f of x by x into f dash of 1. F dash of 1 is given as 2. So the answer is 2 f of x by x. 2 f of x by x. Option 4 is correct answer. 42nd completed. 41st question now. Question number 41. These are AEEE questions. F maps minus 1 comma 1 to R be a differentiable function with f of 0 is equal to minus 1. F of 0 is equal to minus 1 comma f dash 0 is equal to 1. F dash 0 is equal to 1. Let g of x is equal to f of 2f of x. F of 2f of x. F of 2f of x, simply f of x. F of 2f of x, f of separate bracket, yes, 2 f of x plus 2. 2 f of x plus 2 Yes, bracket is there. 2f of x plus 2 total whole square. G of x equal to f of 2f f of this is full 2f of x plus 2 total whole square. Then g dash of 0. Find g dash of 0. So carefully you have to consider the derivative of g of x. Now g dash x. According to derivative concept, this is x square derivative 2x, like that each and everything, each and every derivative we need to calculate 2 into f of 2f of x plus 2. 2 into f of 2f of x plus 2 into this internal derivative f dash of 2f of x plus 2. F dash of 2f of x plus 2 into this internal derivative f dash of 2 f of x plus 2 completed. Next let us 2 into this one, okay, internal derivative f dash of 2 f of x plus 2 into this derivative 2 f dash of x, internal derivative. Now at x is equal to 0, g dash of f of 0 is equal to 2 into f of 2f of 0 plus 2. F dash of 2f of 0 plus 2 into 2f dash 0. That is equal to 2 into here f of 0 meaning minus 1. So f of this can be understood as f of 0 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 2 into f of minus 2 plus 2 into f dash of, this is once again 2 into f of 0 means minus 2 plus 2 into 2 f dash 0. So this can be understood as 2 into f of 0 into f dash of 0 into 2 into f dash of 0. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 directly added because f of 0 is equal to minus 1. So 2 into this is minus 1 into 1 into 2 into 1. So answer is minus 4. Minus 4 is option 2. 41 question, second option. Now 40 question. Question number 40. A function f of x is differentiable at x equal to a, limit x tends to a. Differentiable at x equal to a. Already given the hint that function f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. So limit x tends to a. We need to calculate the derivative limit x tends to a, x square into f of a minus a square into f of x whole by x minus a. We need to calculate limit using L'Hospital rule. Because he given differentiable at x equal to a using LHR. L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to a. Only calculate the derivative for numerator and denominator also. 2x into f of a. Don't take this one UV method because f dash a value he did not give. Simply differentiable at x equal to a. So simply x square derivative calculate 2x into f of a minus a square into f dash x. That's all. Whole by 1 x derivative. Now substitute the value instead of x. 2a into f dash of a minus a square into f dash of a. 2a into f of a. Not this is f dash, simply f of a. That's all. This is the answer directly. AIEEE 2011 bit. Very good bit. 39 question. F maps R to R wave function defined by f of x equal to minimum of f of x equal to minimum of x plus 1 comma modulus of x plus 1. Minimum of x plus 1 comma modulus of x plus 1. Then the which of the following is true? So if x greater than 0, we can consider this is x plus 1 comma x plus 1. So both are same. If x is equal to 0, 1 comma 1 both are same. So let us okay, if x equal to 0, that is equal to 1 comma 1. We cannot say minimum. So this is and this is same. 1 comma 1 is same. Now if x less than 0, we can consider If x less than 0, then minimum of, we can say that x plus 1 comma, we can understand 1 plus x comma 1 minus x. 1 plus x comma 1 minus x. So this is the minimum value. 1 minus x is minimum. 1 minus x is minimum. If we consider as y is equal to 1 minus x, if y is equal to 1 minus x, this is a straight line. So continuous everywhere. There is no question of continuous, it did not go. So we can say differentiable at everywhere. Differentiable everywhere. Whenever the function is differentiable, we can say that it is differentiable also. It is continuous also. Now 38 question. This set of points where f of x equal to x by 1 plus modulus of x. X by 1 plus modulus of x. Set of points where f of x equal to x by 1 plus modulus of x is differentiable. X by 1 plus modulus of x. Set of points is differentiable. Let us domain concept. Let us write domain of f of x. So 1 plus modulus of x not equal to 0. That implies case 1 plus x not equal to 0. So x not equal to minus 1. Case 2, 1 minus x, because modulus 2 cases I am writing not equal to 0. So x not equal to 1. So domain equal to r minus of, like this, minus 1 comma set 1, or you can write minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. Is asking about set of points. This, in this case, it is differentiable. Option, second option. Dear students, 38 question he given. Third option, it is wrong. You correct the print mistake. Second option is right. Now 37th question. Suppose f of x is differentiable at x equal to 1. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of 1 plus h whole by h is equal to 5. Limit h tends to 0. F of 1 plus h whole by h equal to 5, comma, f of 1 equal to 0. This is also mistake. He did not give. You correct it. F of 1 equal to 0. Now, what he is asking, then f dash 1. F dash 1 formula. Limit h tends to 0. F dash x concept, f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. So f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 whole by h. F of 1 equal to 0 he given. Directly you can understand that limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus 0 by h, that is equal to 5. Option 3 is right. Now 33. F of x equal to square root of x plus f of x equal to square root of x plus 2 into square root of 2x minus 4 plus square root of x minus 2 into square root of 2x minus 4. Differentiable on which one here? Differentiable on which one? Now let us write this one as f dash x. F dash x is the full of the form root x plus root x concept, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of x plus 2 root of 2x minus 4 into this derivative, root x derivative 1 by here internal derivative x derivative 1, x derivative 1 plus, and again this one derivative 2 root concept 2 by 2 into this is root x derivative 2 root 1 by 2 root x So 2 into 2x minus 4 into internal derivative 2x, this is 2. Plus 1 by, in the same way, this is 2 root of x minus 2 root of 2x minus 4 into this derivative 1 minus 2 by this derivative 2 root 2x minus 4 into 2. Now, let us write a domain concept. So what is the domain concepts are? Where the function is not defined, domain does not exist. Where the function is not defined, at the point this is not differentiable, this is not continuous. Now you can understand this one not equal to 0. To get the ratio concept, to get the domain of square root 2x minus 4 greater than 0, so 2x greater than 4, so x greater than 2. It's okay. Yeah, if x is equal to 2, 2 are 4 minus 4, 0 should not be right. So x greater than 2. So open interval 2 comma infinity. Verify the options. 2 comma infinity open interval did not give. Maybe print mistake. Next 2. If x is equal to 4, I am writing. If x is equal to 4, substitute here. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4 is 2. Here if you substituting here x is equal to 4. X is equal to, if I am writing, if x is equal to 4. 2 into 4, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 root 4. It is a 4, 4 root 2, 2 into 2, 4. Here 4 minus 4 becomes 0, 1 by 0 infinity. So x is equal to 4. Here it is not possible. Not possible. Therefore, domain, you can write domain as open interval 2 comma infinity minus set 4. 4 you should not write. Open interval 2 comma 4 minus set 4 is correct option. Correct the option 2. Closed he given, closed 2 is wrong, open 2 is correct. Now 31st question. Question number 31. The function f of x equal to x minus y whole cube by a. This is in continuity chapter also. X minus 5 whole cube whole by a. X minus y whole by a over step into sine of x minus 5 into sine of x minus 5 plus a cos of x minus 2. Sine of x minus 5 plus a cos of x minus 2, where the step denotes greatest integer function and a belongs to R, continuous and differentiable in 7 comma 9. A belongs to R, continuous and differentiable on open interval 7 comma 9. So whenever it is continuous, A belongs to R, the definition may be, according to definition, this may 0. If you are equating this is 0, then step value should be 0. So whenever step value should be 0, this is greater than your numerator. Example 1 by 2 you apply. 1 by 2 value 0.5, step is 0. 2 by 3, 3 by 4 like that. So a greater than x minus 5 whole cube. So here a means it is differentiable on 7 comma 9. So great value you apply. A greater than 9 minus 5 whole cube. A greater than 64. That's all. Domain. Here domain you can write as 64 comma infinity. Closed he given, open he should not. Okay, open also you can write. Maybe greater than or equal. 64 comma infinity is right answer. Now let us discuss 25th question. F of x is equal to x minus 1 sine of 1 by x minus 1. X minus 1 sine of 1 by x minus 1 and 0. This is x not equal to 1 and 0 at x equal to 1. X minus 1 sine of 1 by x minus 1. According to options, he given that f is differentiable at x equal to 0 but not x equal to 1. For 0 and 1 we need to verify. Let us define f dash x. Using UV method I am calculating uv whole dash equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Now here x minus 1 into sine derivative cos of uv method 1 by x minus 1 into 1 by x minus 1 derivative minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus here sine of 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 1 derivative 1. This is the f dash x. Now let us write 1. F dash of question number 25 we are discussing. F is differentiable at x. F dash of 1. Let us verify here. If you are substituting 1 minus, of course this is 1 minus 1, 0 into anything, okay, but sine 1 minus 1 does not exist. Sine 1 by x minus 1 not defined. It is wrong. So f dash 1, f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So 0, it can be value if that is a finite value. That is, if anything finite value, it will be defined. The value, no need about the value. It is a finite value. Therefore, f of x is differentiable at x equal to 0, but not at x equal to 1. This is the right answer. F of x is differentiable at x equal to 0, but not x equal to 1. This is AIEEE 2008 question. Next, 23rd question, very easily I am discussing with you. Modulus of x plus 2 by tan inverse 23. Limit x tends to a. We said the formula. Limit x tends to a. Tan inverse x by x. X tends to 0 also. Limit x tends to a. This is 1 using Franck's rule. Using Franck's rule, and limit x tends to a. Modulus of x by x does not exist. Limit x tends to a. Modulus of x by x, that is sine of x by x, tan of x by x, sine of modulus of x minus a by x minus a, tan of modulus of x plus a by x plus a, like this. Here, mod x plus 2 by tan was x plus 2 here. Mod, whenever he indicated modulus x plus 2, yet x, modulus x plus 2 is equal to 0, you should write, and x is equal to minus 2. Yet x is equal to minus 2, it is not defined. So whenever it is not defined, you can say undoubtedly it is not continuous. Whenever it is not continuous, it is not at all differentiable. Simply you can put the second option, not continuous, for the 23rd question. Now, let us see 21st question. F of x is equal to b sine inverse of x plus c by 2 minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 0, minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 0, and 1 by 2 if x equal to 0, and e power ax by 2 minus 1, e power ax by 2 minus 1 whole by x. This is 0 less than x less than 1 by 2. 0 less than x less than 1 by 2. So let us discuss continuous case. If option verify, you can leave it. Continuous case. LHL equal to RHL, that is equal to f of a. So LHL meaning b sine inverse, limit x tends to, this is 1, 0 minus 0 plus. Let us write limit x tends to 0 minus b sine inverse of x plus c by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So b sine inverse c by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So sine inverse c by 2 equal to 1 by 2b. C by 2 is equal to sine 1 by 2b. C is equal to, he is asking C or B, let us verify. A and B, the relation he is asking. Okay, let us discuss this one. RHL, let us consider. 1 by 2 is equal to limit h tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. E power ax by 2. E power ax by 2 minus 1 whole by x. We know the formula, limit x tends to 0, e power y minus 1 by y equal to 1. So whatever the value exists here, denominator also should exist here. Ax by 2 into here a by 2. So that is 1 by 2. So this is 1. You can understand a by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So a equal to 1. A equal to 1 verified, first option. Now 13th question. 13, 11, 1. We can finish level 3. These are the IMP model questions. 13, 11 and 1. Let f of x be differentiable function such that f of x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to f of x plus f of y. F of x plus f of y. Put f of x is equal to k tan inverse x. Now you can apply that k tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. K taken common. K tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to k into tan inverse of, like this, x plus y by 1 minus xy. No need to put k, but he given that the condition is limit x tends to f of x by x equal to 1 by 3. Limit x tends to 0, f of x by x is given as 1 by 3. So, maybe 1 by 3 tan inverse x. We know that the formula using Friend's rule, limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x is equal to 1, we know. 1 by 3 he given. So, that implies you can understand k is equal to 1 by 3. Now, f of x is equal to decided as f of x is equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse x. Directly also we can write using Friend's rule. F of x equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse x. Now, he is asking f dash 1. Find f dash 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 into, first of all, f dash x is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square, the derivative of tan inverse x. Yet x is equal to 1, that implies f dash of 1 is equal to, f dash of 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Answer 1 by 6. 1 by 6, second option is right answer. Now let us discuss 11th question. Suppose that f is differentiable function with the property f of x plus y. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy. This is the property. And the limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, f of h equal to 3. Limit h tends to 0, f of h whole by h equal to 3. Then what is the value? Now, what he is asking, limit, suppose that f is a differentiable function, he given the condition. F is a differentiable function. Let this is first equation. Now, put x equal to 0, comma y equal to 0 in 1. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in 1. So, this is f of 0 plus 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 plus 0 into 0 becomes 0. That implies f of 0 is equal to 2f of 0. Don't get cancelled here. This f of 0 taken this side. So f of 0 becoming 0. The value of f of 0 is 0. Now, write like this. F dash x formula, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. That is equal to apply this formula. From 1 I am writing. Using 1. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Apply the formula f of x plus f of h plus xh minus f of x whole by h. F of x get cancelled. Now f of h by h, that is equal to, separately we can write as limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, f of h by h plus x into limit h tends to 0, h by h. This is 1. So this is x. X plus 3. Let us verify. X plus 3. Okay. This is f of h by h, meaning here 3 plus x we got. Students, we got f dash x as 3 plus x. F dash x as 3 plus x. We need to calculate f of x. F of x we need to calculate. So, I am writing here integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Integration is nothing but antiderivative. So f dash x and integration will be getting cancelled. We should write like this: integral f dash x dx is equal to integral 3 plus x dx. So you can write this one as 3 into 1 integration x plus x integration x square by 2 plus integration constant c. You can write here f of x. Let it be first equation. Now put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Why? Because here we need to calculate x equal to 0, y equal to 0 already we had written. If x equal to 0, yet at instant of 0 you can write here 0 plus c. F of 0 already we got the value of 0. So c is equal to 0. So yet x is equal to 0, there will be no constant. So c is equal to 0. Therefore, f of x is equal to. So he need to give the condition that it should be passes through origin. Suppose the differentiable function satisfying property meaning itself is passing through 0. So f of x equal to 3x plus x square by 2. That's all. Third option. 3x plus x square by 2 should not write 0. Now, today last question. Let us discuss first question. 11th completed. Let us discuss first question in module 3. First question in level 3. F of x is equal to modulus of cos x minus sin x. In JEE mains and in any competitive exams they used to give such type of modulus questions. So whenever modulus is there, maximum 90% sums of modulus sums, the limit does not exist. Let us verify regarding f dash pi by 4. F dash pi by 4. We know that modulus of cos x minus sin x. Modulus of cos x minus sin x is equal to cos x minus sin x. If x belongs to 0 comma pi by 4. Let us verify. In middle you think 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees minus sin 30 degrees you can understand as cos 30 value root 3 by 2, it is 0.866, minus sin 30 value 1 by 2, it is 0.5, 0.8 minus 0.5 is 0.3, it is positive. So modulus written as it is. Now in the same way, modulus of cos x minus sin x is equal to, it is becoming sin x minus cos x if x belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Substitute anything between value pi by 4 to pi by 2, take pi by 3. In the same way, sin 60 degrees minus cos 60 degrees. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, it is 0.866 and cos 60 0.5. So this is 0.5, it is positive. So meaning reverse the modulus concept. So sin between pi by 4 comma pi by 2, this becomes modulus of cos x minus sin x becomes sin x minus cos x. And between 0 comma pi by 4, modulus of cos x minus sin x became simply cos x minus sin x. Why we should write this one? According to option, we should verify f dash pi by 4 is given. LHD, that is limit x tends to f dash of, I am writing f dash of pi by 4 minus. So what is the derivative? Pi by 4 minus meaning this neighborhood, pi by 4 plus meaning this neighborhood. So cos x derivative is minus sin x and minus sin x derivative is cos x. Substitute here this is minus 1 by root 2 and this is minus 1 by root 2. So this is minus 2 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 gives minus root 2. Keep aside. Now calculating RHD. So it is f dash of pi by 4 plus f dash of pi by 4 plus, that is equal to, now you calculate derivative of this one, sin x derivative cos x minus cos x derivative plus sin x. Now apply the value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So this is 2 by root 2, this is root 2. So entirely different here. Minus root 2 not equal to root 2. Just within neighborhood we change the value. Plenty of differences, a lot of difference there between minus value and plus value. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable. F of x is not differentiable. Yet x is equal to pi by 4, whatever the value we given. Okay students, whatever the sums important and whatever the sums are repeating in JEE mains questions we have discussed. In tomorrow class we can discuss the chapter differentiation.